Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com and welcome to another Artistic Vegan show. Today we're making sweet and spicy cauliflower bites. These are breaded cauliflower that are then baked until they're nice and golden and then coated in a sweet and spicy sauce and further baked until they're nice and golden brown and have a crisp exterior and just a nice with a little bit of moist interior still, and then you can use that same sauce that you put on the outside as a dip, so it's really easy, a really versatile recipe and something that you can come back to again and again. Let's go ahead and get right into how to make it. To start, wash and dry your cauliflower, slice into florets. Mix 1 tablespoon of flax with 3 tablespoons of water, setting aside to congeal. Mix corn flour, gluten-free breadcrumbs, or you can crumble some rice cakes, cayenne pepper, turmeric, ginger powder, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Mix well. For the wet, mix dairy-free milk with apple cider vinegar, whisk together. Add Dijon mustard, mix again. Add corn flour, mix again. And then add the flax mixture to the wet. Place the dried cauliflower in the flour with one hand, I used my right hand. Cover the florets in flour, toss them into the wet without touching the wet, and then with your other hand, I used my left, pick up the cauliflower, plop it into the flour mixture, and use your dry hand, and this is my right, to toss the dry flour onto it. And then use your messy hand to move it and pick it up and transfer it to the lined baking sheet, repeating until done. This way you keep one hand dry and one hand wet, and it doesn't create quite as big of a mess. When you're all done, bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, carefully flipping after 25 minutes, going another 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, make your dipping sauce and marinade. I mix tamari sauce, rice vinegar, sriracha hot sauce, and either maple or agave syrup. Mix well and set aside. Place the cauliflower bites on a cooling rack. Coat in the sauce generously. Bake for 30 more minutes or until they're really golden brown with a crisp exterior. I didn't flip them here. You can if you'd like. And we made more of the marinade as a dipping sauce since it was so tasty, but vegan ranch would also be good. So this is a really versatile recipe. You can use a ton of different sauces. Most of all, enjoy. Thank you for watching. This has been Christa with artisticvegan.com. Go over there to get the recipe, and if you want exclusive content, check out my new premium channel. Bye!